trying to get to know me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my updated natural hair routine, wash and go routine, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, my hair looks a hot mess. It's dirty. I just took out some braids. Like, look at all that dirt and that gunk that you're seeing in my hair. It's atrocious. So what I'm going to do first is do a pre-poo or a detangling session before I get into the shower. This helps minimize a lot of the shedding, and you're gonna see a lot of hair come out, but that's all of like the hair that kind of accumulated as I had the braids in for a good amount of time. So I'm taking a water and conditioner mix. You can use whatever conditioner you want. I mix it in a spray bottle and I use that to detangle my hair and get all the dirt, especially around where the knots were at the top or closer to the root. I use this and I take a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair front to back, and this will just help the process so much easier when you're washing your hair. After that, I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. I like to section my hair off when I do any type of hairstyle. It just makes it easier for me to see what's going on, especially when I'm washing, because I really want to get to the roots. And if I can see the roots, I can clean the root. So to start, I'm taking the Head and Shoulders Royal Oil Scalp Scrub. Woo, that was a tongue twister. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna apply it directly to the scalp and scrub, scrub, scrub. I like to do this for at least like 5 to 10 minutes. It circulates blood flow and it feels really, really good. If you notice in the video, I'm gonna be using the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils collection the entire time. This collection, it's not sponsored, trust me, but it is my favorite collection I like to use. It cleans my hair to a T, especially because I have flaky scalp. So I'm gonna be using their moisturizing shampoo and their conditioner. So this is my hair right after I took it out the terry cloth. I put a little bit of makeup on, so I was looking too crusty and dusty for y'all. And then I, of course, section my hair into 4 parts like I always do. To minimize frizz and to help with a little bit of heat protection when I do diffuse my hair, I'm taking the Color Wow Dream Coat Spray. After I apply that to the section, I'm going to take the Head and Shoulders Scalp Cream and I'm going to apply that directly into my scalp. I love this product. It has a nozzle and oil does not do anything on my scalp but sit there and make my hair look greasy. So I like to use a cream that really absorbs into my scalp. It's comfortable. I don't have itching after like a couple days. Like, a cream is where it's at, trust me. Once you apply the cream, go ahead and massage that into the hair. The trick to hair growth is a lot of massaging on the scalp because you want the blood flow to really circulate. Next, I'm taking Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls and the Auntie Anne's Don't Shrink Elongating Hair Curling Gel. I'm mixing those up. So you know if products work together, if they mix well in your hand and don't look all like crumbly, like they look like a smooth paste. When you get that concoction, that is like your perfect combo. So I'm gonna apply that into my hair. I start at the root, always start at the root, and I work my way down to the tips of my hair. I go back over the root a lot because your new growth, yeah, she new hair, right? She's new. So you have to train your new growth to reflect the rest of your hair. And that can be a process, but once you get it down, trust me, it's worth it. After I part my hair, middle part bust down girl here, I'm gonna take my diffuser. I'm not the type of girl who typically does low heat. However, for this, I had a lot of time today. So I did medium heat on my diffuser and I'm just taking it. And the first thing I'm doing is setting the cast, which is the outside of the hair that everybody sees. You see how it's elongated, it is shiny, it is laying the way that I want. I make sure that is laid first, and then I take the diffuser and I go throughout the rest of the head to make sure it's dry. But I want the top portion to reflect how I want the hair to dry the most. For the back, I actually kind of pull the hair as I'm drying it. Not too much like running through my fingers. I'm just grabbing like the tips and elongating it because I want it to dry that length. That helps minimize shrinkage and it just looks really good. Next, I'm using my fingers to kind of separate the hair once it's dried all the way. I use my fingers first. It just allows you to naturally pull it without running through it and causing frizz. And then I'm gonna take a pick and fluff it in the areas that I want it to be fluffed. So I want it to look natural, like it's not like super hard. So I use the pick to kind of add volume in the places that I want it, typically within the inside and towards the back. And then I use my fingers to frame my face, you know, just to lay the hair how I want to. It's honestly a repetitive process, but it gets the job done. And so as you can see, I still have a bunch of movement with my hair. It still looks really defined and elongated after this. And so yeah, that's my simple curl routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are trying this and it works out for you, let me know below. Give me some feedback. What are you using in your hair? I want to know the kind of products that you guys are using. Other than that, if you have any questions, ask me down below. Give me a shout out. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.